Hello, and welcome to Automated Trading. In this video, we're going to explore how to retrieve the spread in cTrader using Symbol.Spread and why this data is essential for your automated trading strategies. If you've ever wondered how the spread impacts your trades or how you can use it to make more informed decisions, stay tuned until the end of this video. First, what exactly is the spread? The spread is the difference between the ask price, the price at which you can buy, and the bid price, the price at which you can sell, of a financial instrument. In simpler terms, it's the direct cost of entering a trade. It's a crucial metric for every trader to understand, as it directly affects your profitability. In cTrader, retrieving the value of the spread is straightforward. You can use the property Symbol.Spread, which provides the current spread of the instrument in pips. This is incredibly useful for calculating costs, optimizing strategies, and monitoring market liquidity. Let's dive into a practical example. Here's a snippet of code where we use Symbol.Spread to display the current spread of an instrument in the log. So, how can you leverage this information? Here are some key applications. 1. Cost-based strategies. Avoid trading when the spread is unusually high, as it can significantly impact your trade profitability. 2. Liquidity analysis. A low spread usually indicates high liquidity, while a high spread might signal lower market activity. 3. Bot optimization. If you're developing a trading bot, you can program it to operate only when the spread is within an acceptable range. Monitoring and understanding the spread is fundamental for making smart and efficient trading decisions. That's all for today. Now you know how to obtain the spread in cTrader using Symbol.Spread and how to utilize this information in your trading strategies. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about automation on platforms like cTrader and MetaTrader, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next episode of Automated Trading. Bye for now.